people may be wondering why uOttawa, especially Black students who have seen specific incidents happen. So I'm curious to know how you feel about people who may be asking why uOttawa.
Um, being able to make an impact in the lives of other students. I was once a Black student going through university, so being able to pass on my knowledge and what I've experienced to be able to improve that experience for others is a really meaningful thing for me, and I've been grateful to have that opportunity to do that. I think uOttawa has a great community and lots of different communities. So if you're coming to uOttawa and you're looking for a place to um, find home, there's lots of different ways you can do that here. Yeah. And I think one of the tasks that I've put upon myself is to continue to create spaces where students can safely find that sense of home.